doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. In today's vlog, we're unboxing some things I got. So I just got a new microwave, so I said I should come and unbox it with you guys. This is my old microwave, is still working. I just decided to get a new one. We have been using this, so let's unbox the new one together. So this is it. I just saw it and I love it. So let me get it. So let's unbox it. Let's see how it looks inside. I don't know if you guys are hearing me, because I'm just preparing lunch. So let me off my microwave. It's on. So this is it. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. So beautiful. Let me remove the pattern so you can see it very well. This is it. Yeah. This is it. This is my new microwave. That's it. That's it. This one is a digital buttons. This one has digital buttons. It's not like this my own that have this normal stop button and the rest. Why I decided to go for this microwave is because of the digital buttons. That's why I decided to go for this. I love it so much. And this product is very good. The one I was using before is Candy. So what I also got some dishes. I also got this. I got 2 of these. I also got this. I got some dishes for the family. What I also got again, I got this pan. I also got this pan. I also bought this pan. So these are the things I got. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.